Hi, everyone. Writing is difficult sometimes, and especially when you are working with academic writing, or if you're an international professional, or maybe you're doing a document for work. Sometimes it's just checking those tiny little things, proofreading and editing to make it perfect. One of the things I noticed this weekend marking abstracts for students was their reference list. So, references, once you do research, you have that last page. The reference page shows all your research, and just the tiniest thing came up. And again, you could say, oh, I'll ignore it. But if you work in a research office, or if you are doing research for someone in engineering or medical, healthcare, that type of thing, the research has to be solid. And if you're using APA, so the alphabetizing ABC needs to be done correctly. So in this case, if the last name is Brown, and this gets tricky for some people because last name can also mean family name in other cultures. So it's kind of figuring out, what is someone's first name that you address them by, but then what is their last name? It's the last name that is alphabetized. So in this case, it's Brown, capital B, and then the next reference would be Smith. So Smith is the last name, and Smith starts with an S. So it's fairly simple, but if you get it wrong, it just looks like a mistake, but also it's something you just want to fix. The next little thing is if something is with so the writing center, in this case, you would ignore the and you would add W. So writing center would follow Smith. But again, check based on where you work and what the standards are in your institution. But nonetheless, the main point is just checking to alphabetize properly. And this comes in handy for, all kinds of things, but just making sure that the last name is correct. All right. Have a great day. This is a little teaching tip and something I do in class. Take care. Have a great week.